Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn ticketing or fare elements to issue ticket. After PNR and TST have been created, you need to enter ticketing or fare elements in a PNR before you can issue a ticket. These elements are FV validating carrier, FP form of payment, FM commission. Validating carrier and form of payments are mandatory ticketing or fare elements. Commission elements can be optional depending on your market and office profile settings. First ticketing or fare element is validating carrier. This is added automatically to the PNR once itinerary has been automatically priced. It is recommended to remove FV element before use pricing transactions. Validating carrier is an airline for which document to issue. Sometimes it can be different from airline operating flight. That travel agent reports any money collected to validating carrier's accounting system. You can add manually validating carrier if needed. Use FV validating carrier transaction plus MS Egypt Air 2 letters airline code. Which document is to be issued? Enter. Here validating carrier element has been added for all passengers. To enter FV validating carrier element for all non-infant passenger who occupied seat, use FV validating carrier transaction followed by PUX non-infant passenger indicator plus MS Egypt Air 2 letters airline code. Enter. Here FV validating carrier element has been added. To enter FV validating carrier element for all infant passenger, use FV validating carrier transaction followed by INF infant passenger indicator plus MS Egypt Air 2 letters airline code. Enter. Here FV validating carrier element has been added. To enter FV validating carrier element for specific passenger, use FV validating carrier transaction followed by MS Egypt Air 2 letters airline code /P passenger identifier plus 1 passenger 1 from PNR. Enter. Here FV validating carrier element has been added. Second ticketing or fare element is to add form of payment which indicates how passenger has paid for ticket. In case your passenger is paying by Visa credit card, use FP form of payment transaction followed by CC credit card indicator plus VI Visa card company 2-letter code followed by credit card number / expiry date 12/21/12 for month of December 21 2021 year. Enter. Form of payment element has been added. You can enter different form of payments, cash, invoice, non-ref, so on as defined for your market and also allowed by validating carrier. To enter cash form of payment for all passengers in PNR, use FP form of payment transaction plus cash mode of payment. Enter. Form of payment element has been added. You can also add form of payment for non-infant passengers who has occupied seat and infant passenger without seat. To enter cash form of payment for non-infant passenger number 1 in a PNR, use FP form of payment transaction followed by PUX non-infant passenger indicator plus cash mode of payment /P passenger identifier followed by 1 passenger number 1 from PNR. Enter. Form of payment element has been added. Third ticketing or fare element is commission. It can be optional depending on your market and office profile settings. This is based on ticket commission agreement between airlines and whoever issue ticket. Commission can be entered either as a percentage of fare or fixed amount. To enter fixed amount, use FM commission transaction plus 50 Saudi Riyals in local currency followed by A amount indicator. Enter. Commission element has been updated. To add percentage commission of fare, use FM commission transaction plus 5%. Enter. Commission element has been updated. You can also add a commission element for non-infant and infant passenger in a PNR. Save changes in a PNR for further action. FE endorsement or restriction element is used to identify any restriction, airline comments or rules that may apply to a ticket. FE endorsement or restriction element can be added automatically to PNR as per airline filed. You can also enter FE endorsement or restriction element manually. Use FE endorsement or restriction transaction plus free tax. Enter. Endorsement element has been updated for all passenger. To enter infant date of birth and passport details in endorsement or restriction box, use FE endorsement or restriction transaction followed by INF infant passenger indicator plus free text. Enter. Endorsement element has been updated. To enter FV endorsement or restriction element for non-infant passenger, use FV endorsement or restriction transaction followed by PUX non-infant passenger indicator plus free text /P passenger identifier followed by 1 passenger 1 from PNR. Enter. Endorsement element has been updated. FT2 code element is used when a published or special negotiated fare is sold in conjunction with a ticket. Maximum number of characters allowed in FT2 code element can be varied depending on local BSB regulation, and maximum length of 14 characters excluding transaction code, passenger and segment association. To enter tour code for net remit ticketing, tour code begins with net remit indicator NR. The maximum number of free float character allowed is 14, excluding the net remit ticket indicator. Use FT2 code transaction followed by NR net remit indicator plus code /airline deal code if any. Enter. Tour code element has been updated. To enter free float text tour code for all passengers in a PNR, use FT tour code transaction plus asterisk followed by free float text code. Enter. Tour code element has been updated. To enter free float text tour code for all non-infant passengers in a PNR, use FT tour code transaction followed by PUC non-infant passenger indicator asterisk plus free float text tour code. Enter. Tour code element has been updated. To enter free float text tour code for all infant passengers in a PNR, use FT tour code transaction followed by INF infant passenger indicator asterisk plus free flow text tour code. Enter. Tour code element has been updated. Save the changes in the PNR for further action. And that's it. You have just learned how to add ticketing or fare elements in a PNR to issue ticket. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.